Alright, this is a bot working live in action. Alright, so we've got a huge run down here. Sell off. So we're gonna have a nice little pullback. I'm looking at 3 minute here. And the way I use this bot is these are essentially sell signals, and these yellow arrows are potentially reversals, but obviously it's a bot, so it's just flagging a possibility. So what we're going to look for is a pullback, probably a major pullback, and then once we get a candle that closes with the red arrow, we will enter in just below the close of that candle, and that's the setup we're waiting for using this bot that I created. So now it's the waiting game. So the way it works is you get this signal, you sell just a tick below the close of this signal. So when it comes up, boom, hits your limit order, here it is. And it can work with each of these candles. This bot is designed to work fairly off of price action. Ooh, there we go. It's not quite the pullback I wanted, so it's not really ideal. But that's why you wait for the candle to close. See how it repainted? That's what we're looking for. So I'm going to put this here. I do not recommend that. Now, if you're looking for a reversal, it's highly unlikely. Look at this. It's going to eventually, yes. It's currently 11 o'clock. So since 10:30, after this little range, this is really the first move. So it could be considered the first leg down. So I'm looking for a second leg down. Sorry guys, I'm a little sick. That's a tiny pullback, but it might be all we get. I don't know. Wait for the candle to close. Like, there's so many times where I just want to get in FOMO. You gotta be patient. It's the name of the game. Look, and there's a reversal arrow. Keep in mind it could repaint until the candle closes. So if you wanted to scalp up, now would be a good time. Although I don't recommend it because I have this filter in here, 30-minute trend down, and it's a bear on the 3 minutes. So still this crosses over. It's never going to give me a buy signal. That's just the way I prefer it, so you're not on the wrong side of the trade tracks. Because if you do try to scalp this, which I know many of you have, or call in the bottom, which I don't know why anybody would try to pick this as the bottom, but people do every day, what they're doing now, you can blow your entire account like this. You can make a lot of money. If you somehow bought right here, you could be making money. Not recommended. I'll show you what's been going on here. So I drew this channel. It's fairly big for a higher time frame. And once it broke out, boom, short. Pretty easy. Yeah, and I mean, day trading is not a guessing game, but what I kind of expect to do something like this. And have another like more than likely just my guess is it would be in a trading range right here. So I want to have a sell somewhere in here and then buy out somewhere in this area. If I don't know if it'll get past this previous zone. So far the setup's still looking good. Be a measured move. 50%. Kind of lines up. Alright. So that is the plan. Obviously, if it gets past my 50% retracement, then but the good thing is I'm not in. So you let the market show you what's happening. You don't really want to guess. This I did here is awful. Don't ever do that. We gotta wait for it to show us what's happening. Because we know the direction. It's down. Until that breaks, I personally will not be long. I don't know if I trust this one, but if this does close, then I will be in short just below the close of wherever this candle is going to be. I don't like this so close. Not a very big pullback, but okay. Waiting game. You see how that repainted? That's why you wait till the candle to close. I'm sorry. There it goes again. It's looking like some good resistance here. Sellers are just in control. Alright, I like it. Look, just because you see this candle, be patient. Wait. Let it close. A lot of times this candle was going to go back up. Just wait. The same thing here. This big wick looked like it was going long, faked a lot of people out, and then boom. Don't have FOMO of missing this drop. If you're planning on getting short, you see this, just wait. Trust me. There we go. Gonna go up. Just one tick below.
Order filled.
And we're in. So I have my automatic brackets set up for 200 and 450. That's just what I like. Obviously, if you're doing more than one, you know, it's going to be different. Whatever risk reward you're doing is what you need to stick to. I mean, so far so good. If this paints another one, I may add to the position. I don't know, though. 11 o'clock. Pretty good. Start to stall. I'm gonna lock in 200. I'm gonna lock in 300.
Order filled.
$300. That's why you be patient. Nice. Very nice. Trade. Utilizing I call it a bot in the video, but really it's just signals. I did code it using Thinkorswim, and I've had pretty good success. Now it's not going to trade for you, so it's not an actual bot. So you do still have to use your own trading psychology, discretion, whatever you want to call it. You still got to do it, but it does give you some pretty good guidelines to go by. As you saw, I mean, that's $300 relatively quickly. I mean, there's a lot of time spent sitting and waiting and watching and analyzing. All that goes into it, but you gotta think about it. $300 is more than what quite a few people make in a day of going to working all day, no matter what it may be. $300 day is very good, and that's just one trade. The next trade might lose $200 because that's my bracket setup, but then the next trade might win another 300. So you never know. Sometimes this late in the day I'm done, and I didn't trade this morning, so that's just $300 for the day, which is great. I mean, it's not like some of these videos you see online. I mean, that's real. That's a good expectation. $100 to $300 profit target is great. But yeah, so that's just a good example of how you can use a bot to your advantage. Good luck.